Next case nana, case 3. Lift, accelerated, downward. Okay, look here now. Question number 3. This is the floor. This is the lift now. Here, person inside the lift. A person inside the lift. Here, lift moving downward with acceleration A. Once again, I repeat. Lift moving downward with acceleration A. In the situation, weight always vertically downwards. Body says action. Floor says opposite reaction. In the situation, lift moving downward, here downward force is more compared to upward force. mg is more compared to normal reaction. What is the net force? Always to write larger minus smaller. Here larger force first write, smaller force next write. Both are in opposite direction, right minus. Newton's second law, F equal to ma. mg minus n minus other side plus other side minus. Finally write here what is the value of n. Here the n value is mg minus ma. Here n is called normal reaction. This normal reaction is also called as Appier's weight. mg is called as actual weight. Minus indicate the person feel less weight. That means when a lift is moving downward, with acceleration A, the person feel less weight. Here, what is the formula for Appier's weight or apparent weight? M into G minus A. Okay, very important formula. This is applicable for when lift is moving downward. Next, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇట్లా ఈ స్టెప్ తీసుకో. Here n minus mg equal to minus ma. This is called change in weight. Here next step write change in weight by initial weight, that is called actual weight. N minus mg value minus ma. This is mg. What? Cancel. Here change in weight by actual weight. Change in weight by actual weight is called change in weight by actual weight is called as fractional change in weight. Once again I repeat, change in weight by actual weight is called fractional change in weight. Finally we get minus a by g. In the previous case, lift moving upward, fractional change in weight formula is plus a by g. But in the situation, lift moving downward, fractional change in weight formula is minus a by g. Next, nana, percentage change in apparent weight. Percentage change in apparent weight. Percentage means both sides multiplied by 100. That is called percentage change in weight. This is the formula for minus a by g into 100. Minus a by g into 100. Okay, this is called fractional change in weight. This is called percentage change in apparent weight. Okay, fractional change in weight formula minus A by G. Percentage change in apparent weight when lift is moving downward with acceleration A minus A by G into 100 volt. Case number 4 now. In the situation, lift freely fall. Okay? Lift freely fall. In the situation, this is the floor nana, this is the lift nana. Inside which is present, person is present. Okay? Here nana, lift freely fall means lift moving downward. Okay? Freely fall means acceleration equal to plus G. Freely fall, A value taken as plus G. In the previous situation, case 3, lift is moving downward. What is the formula for apparent weight? M into G minus A. But according to this condition, here A value substitute. M into G minus G. Simply G minus G, 0, 0 into anything 0. Simply apparent weight of a person becomes 0. Simply the person feel weightless. Simply a lift is moving, freely falling. The person feel weightless. ఎప్పుడైనా లిఫ్ట్ వైర్ బ్రేక్ అయింది అనుకోండి పైన, అప్పుడు పెద్ద పెద్ద కేకలు వినిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఇట్స్ మీనింగ్ ఈజ్ ద పర్సన్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఫీల్ వెయిట్లెస్. కోల్డ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లిఫ్ట్ నానా, ఫ్లోరు. Here a small body, its mass is M, is placed inside the lift. Okay? In the situation, lift moving downward with acceleration A. In the concept, the first condition is A value less than G. Very important concept, look here. In the situation, a body of mass small m is placed inside the lift. Initially, lift is at rest, and next it will be descending downward with acceleration A. Its value always less than G. Look here. Here, lift says a action, body says a opposite reaction. Lift says a acceleration A, body says a opposite reaction. According to Newton's third law. Once again I repeat, one body says a action, other body says a opposite reaction. Lift says a action, body says a opposite reaction. Action equal to minus reaction. Simply, lift says a action, body says a opposite reaction. This is called pseudo force. Look here now. Here weight always vertically downwards. Okay? In the situation, according to condition, A value is less. Simply upward force is less compared to downward force. So this body always touches the floor. That's why after t seconds, body always contact with the floor. After t seconds, the question is displacement of the body. After t seconds, this is the question. Here, according to condition, A value less than G, That's why A value less than G. That's why upward force is less compared to downward force. So that's why this body touches the surface. So this displacement here, displacement of the lift is equal to displacement of the body in the situation. Because here to here, body also here to here. Simply displacement of the body equal to displacement of the lift in the situation. What is the kinematic second equation? S equal to ut plus half at square. In the situation here, lift is at rest. Lift is at rest means u becomes 0. That's why S equal to 0 into anything 0 plus half a t square. Here displacement of the lift is, this is the, here look here, initially lifted rest. That's why u becomes 0. What is the acceleration of the lift is given? A. Here write A nana. Simply displacement of the lift is half at square. This is equal to displacement of the body inside the lift. This is the formula for displacement of the body half at square. This is applicable for lift acceleration value less than g. Hold. I discuss second question now. Here a value greater than g now. Look here. This is the lift nana. Lift inside, body is placed nana. Here also lift moving downward with the acceleration a. This value is given greater than g. In the situation, one body says a action, other body says a opposite reaction. Lift says a action, body says a opposite reaction. Weight always vertically downwards. In the situation, a value greater than g, simply upward force is more compared to downward force, because a value greater than g. Simply the 15 anuko, this 10. Simply this more and batti, this body, once again I repeat, here once again I repeat, this upward force is more compared to downward force. That's why body lifts, that means not contact to the surface after t seconds. The question is, find displacement of the body with respect to surface. This will be calculate. S will be calculate. This is the question. Here displacement of the lift is right S dash. Here body moves here to here. This is right S double dash. Simply S dash right as S dash right as S double dash minus S, sorry, plus S. Look here. Here to here S double dash. Here to here S. S double dash plus S equal to S dash. Simply nana, find what nana? S. So that's why S equal to S dash minus S double dash. Look here nana. Nana, here to determine displacement of the body with respect to floor. Okay? This is S. This can be determined. Here S dash indicate displacement of lift. Displacement of lift. S equal to ut plus half at square. Here lift initially rest, u becomes 0. Directly I write ut plus half at square. Simply S dash is half at square. Here S double dash indicate displacement of the body after t seconds. Here also body initially at rest. This formula is also of AT square, but here A is nothing but the A net. Here, look here, what is the A net? Here body moving upward because A value more and G value less. A net write as A minus G into T square, because on the body two forces acting, one is A, other one is G. Here write what is the S dash. S dash value is half AT square. S double dash value is half into A minus G T square. Here in the right side neatly write as half AT square minus half AT square minus of minus plus half GT square. Here AT square cancel. Finally, displacement of the body with respect to lift is half GT square. Once again I repeat, Nana, this is, look here, this is lift, body is placed inside the lift. Here lift initially rest and after some time it descending. Its acceleration value less than G. In the situation, displacement of the body is half AT square. Same situation, acceleration greater than G. In the situation, displacement of the body is half GT square. This derivation not required. What is the condition? A less than G. In the situation, displacement of the body is half AT square. A greater than G. Displacement of the body formula is half GT square. These two formulas keep in mind. Lift is at rest. What is the apparent weight formula? Equal to actual weight. Lift moving upward, apparent weight formula is M into G plus A. Lift moving downward, apparent weight formula is M into G minus A. Lift freely falling, the person feel weightless. This is most important topic, Nana. Please revise this video.